Hi, if you're watching this video, it's because you live in the city of Cypress and you need automotive air conditioning help. You came to the right place. I have a shop on Slater in Huntington Beach, which is 5-10 minutes away from Cypress. Now, let me show you my shop, but first let me show you my landscape. This is my landscape. Now come on over and let me show you my shop. I have a 10-bay automotive repair shop. This 10-bay automotive repair shop, I moved here about 10 years ago. I used to own 2 shops on the other side of the railroad tracks. I sold one and moved the other one here. I downsized tremendously. Now, in the early 80s, I saw the need for air conditioning. I used to run a shop in Huntington Beach, pretty big shop, that did not do air conditioning. So I decided to take the course at Golden West College on air conditioning. At that time, I was involved in air conditioning. I mean, I was consumed by it. It came to the point in my life where I get paid to teach air conditioning. I set up a training class. I train people in air conditioning. Now, with that said, you can have all the training on air conditioning, but you also have to know electrical, because a lot of the air conditioning nowadays requires electrical knowledge. You got electrical compressors, variable compressors. You need the electrical, and you need the equipment, and the proper equipment too. Because I see people working with gauges and without a AC machine. I got 3 snap-on machines. They're fairly new, and I got older machine. One of them is for hybrid. A lot of people don't know that you need a hybrid AC machine to do hybrid AC. They think they can use the same machine, and they actually hurt the consumer tremendously. So in order to do air conditioning, you have to have the electrical knowledge, the AC knowledge, and the equipment to go along with it. And to top it all off, you got an owner that supports them, that teaches air conditioning. So why would you go anywhere else? I see people suffering all the time, sitting there on a hot day. You're a realtor, you got your client, and you're all sweating. They're already sweating because they got to buy a new house. So if you got any questions, please give me a call, 714-375-2661. And if you live in the city of Cypress and you need a ride home, or I can pick you up. Thank you for watching the video.